That's our little friend who likes to woodpecker the tower. And it'll go from level to level to level to each spot. That's what we get to wake up to.